Oh my god, it's actually working now. Holy shit. Alright, let me put this in the thing. Here we go. Okay, yeah, this is completely random. I know I did, like, no build up to this at all, but, like, yeah, live stream after a year! What am I doing? I'm a mess. Alright, here we go. I'm putting this in the, YouTube uploads. Yes, perfect. Now, this is extraordinary. Oh no, Corey's just... Yes, absolutely. Join the VC in the Discord, Amaze. Do it, you won't. It is absolutely chaotic, I don't blame you for joining. Either way, I'm gonna probably undeafen now from the VC so that I can do a bunch of capturing stuff, because I'm still working on a bunch of stuff. It's why all you see is the skybox, because I can't show anything else yet. Because if I do, then you'll see... Oh! Oh, he did join. I'm inviting him to speak. There we go. Alright. Perfect. Yep, this is absolutely stupendous. Alright. I'm gonna undeafen now, and I'm gonna also unmute the capture of both Discord and Roblox, and hopefully that will be good. I hope. The two other people that are watching the stream are probably the people who are in the Discord. So... yeah, this is already a great start, guys. This is already amazing. I cannot wait for this. Anyway, I'm undeafening now.
What's the purple roll? Oh, it's just purple. I don't know, I thought it was something different. I thought it was, like, furry or something.
Oi, guys! Say hi to YouTube, I'm streaming right now! There are roughly around, hold on, how many people are on, like, on the speaking on, like, Discord? There are 9 people, there are 9 speakers, including myself, so there's a lot of people up here. No, because... yeah, because I told her both no balls, and you noticed that I was streaming, so...
Well, I would like to say the stream volume of the people in the voice call was very quiet.
There's like a couple of people here I haven't seen in a while.
Yeah, I'm adjusting it. That's why, like, I'm trying to balance out the audio and stuff. So
At this point,
ignore the audio problems.
You know what?
Pretty much, yeah.
I'm not listening to Dog. He's not important.
I mean, to be fair, I could just do this.
Welcome to Discord Survivor. Today we're gonna be playing Survivor. No, you're not streaming. No.
Yeah, no, you're not. No, you're not. Can I mute the? There we go.
Yeah.
who's gonna be the first to say something that just causes a copyright strike or some crap to
Yeah, I
appear
can
on
go get
court?
some copyrighted audio. I'll be right back.
Alright, I'm just gonna quickly check whether or not the audio is proper. Oh, the audio is really quiet still. I gotta fix that.
Going to their house.
I am taking this personally.
As you should, apparently. Alright, hopefully that's a decent amount of audio. Alright, so...
Decent.
Shush. Anyway, just to clarify the YouTube stream for when people actually start looking at the archive and stuff that'll be uploaded. Small progress update. I've been doing a lot this year. I mean, last year. You get the idea. I've been doing a lot over the year. And the game hasn't really gotten any progress updates on YouTube specifically. So you're probably wondering what this is. In short, look at the description. I've listed everything out you need to know in that. But
I don't see the description.
then you are
Live stream is this special one done with
yeah.
community over at the Backrooms Revisited Discord server. Link at the bottom of the description. Where that is the wrong where the community.
Yeah, I know that's the wrong way. But like I couldn't be bothered fixing it.
Stream, guys.
There's too many people speaking. Demote all the.
There, I fixed it. I fixed it because you're the grammar police. I fixed it.
Thank you.
Yeah! Validation! Yeah!
We have to kick all of the admin.
Say we kick Corey, bro.
What?
Whoever kicks me, I'm gonna kill your family.
I'm like the...
No!
Oh, yeah, kick the server owner. Yeah, screw him.
Yeah. It'll work, guys, I swear.
Oh yeah.
Person who tries it
Guys,
gets,
today we're kicking Ori Star 7.
Mod purge. Mod purge.
No.
Mod purge. I hate this stupid server. Mod purge.
Alright, yeah, I like it.
Ori Star 7 is over, party. Let's go.
All right. Well, first off, let's start suggesting some ideas to get the stream off. All right, because we're supposed to be just suggesting and stuff. So give me ideas. Give me ideas.
Let's try and see if we can get Walvin on here. And he would be like the perfect.
No, I'm not bringing BU staff into this, nor can I.
Whoever suggests entity breeding or something from BU will be personally terminated.
No. He's cooking with that idea. He's cooking with that ideology. All right.
Alright, you're gone too.
No.
It's over,
No, stop.
I suggest we make Akira play a horror game.
No,
And
no,
he-
no, this ain't funny anymore,
I
guys.
suggest changing the Lua code to Java.
Oh yeah, that's exactly like that. That's possible.
Backrooms Revisited on Steam, bro. Let's start.
So you could do Backrooms
my God.
Revisited Java edition.
I say we kill Ethan.
Oh, wait.
Oh no!
Unrelated
It wouldn't be the first time one would try me in a battle. It's
Honestly,
hard
I
being
don't know if we have to kill
You
Ethan.
wouldn't know.
He's been dead here for a while, so I never noticed.
But what?
Unrelated question, but am I the only one who saw that the new Escaping the Backrooms update is supposed to be coming out like at the end of the month or something?
Oh,
Yes.
really?
Has it been out already?
Well, he said he might. He said he was planning on adding.
It's already out,
actual ending
TVG.
for the game next update, and he also said that it wouldn't be easy to find, so we might need to do a little bit of game theory. But yeah.
Yeah, I wonder
I
if
heard
the
what it
update-
says in the final
Rest
update.
in peace, Matt Bad.
Right, there are too many people on the stage, so I'm going to step down into the audience. Remember to like the stream. Okay?
Why are you British?
What? What? Why are you British? That.
Man, that's like an attack to Corey too.
Oh yeah, I forgot I don't have Walvin anymore.
Doesn't have administrator? Why not?
He was just put immediately into the audience after that.
You know, it's like
This has got.
like a direct attack to Corey because he's British too. Totally not like Australian.
Corey is Australian, you fucking dumb.
Yeah, but what's it? Yeah, but technically,
He's British.
but
Corey is literally just an off-brand version of Jane Curtin, bro.
Did I just hear the words Corey sexual uwu or am I tripping?
What?
No, I heard
Thank you, I'm not the only one.
Too many people speaking at once, my brain is overloading.
your brain is becoming mush, and I don't blame you.
Oh, we need an Among Us entity.
No, enough. I need actual ideas, please.
Look at generic no mic.
Yeah, I've been looking at generic no mic, but like I'm looking at generic no mic. All I'm seeing is Among Us entity / H. Oh fuck. Okay, well you just convinced me.
I only suggest you commit a mod purge on everybody in the VC.
I'll commit.
You know, you need to do.
I will remove.
Wait,
Genuinely aren't devs. That's what I
does
think.
anyone here know what Cult of the Lamb is?
Oh yeah.
No, I don't.
Yeah,
So
game
you know how
having
they said
sex.
they would add sex to the game?
Oh yeah.
Bro, that's what we need to do for TBRE. Just make a promise.
Exactly.
You'll-
Stop.
you'll-
It's not funny.
Don't worry, I'll pay for it. No, fuck. I mean, I'll.
Wait, you'll pay for it? Wait, what? You'll do what?
I mean, I'll pay
If you guys
spend money
join
for
the
it.
stream, if this stream gets to 20 concurrent active viewers, we will add entity breeding to TBRE.
Oh my god! Watch like 100. What? Watch like by all accounts, watch like a fuck ton of bots start joining the stream just to artificially like boost the views.
You know, that would be like a pretty funny April Fool's, though.
Okay, so when is the release date of TBRE 4 in space?
The release of TBRE forward space should be 2026. All right. All right.
Dude, that's what BU should have done for April Fools. They should have added entity breeding.
No one likes.
Look, I was going to do an April Fool's update, but I got so hooked up with like stupid like uni work that I wasn't able to do anything.
Grr, how dare you go to college?
How dare you get an education?
No, man, one thing I want to mention, and then I'll go back to the audience. You know today is April, not April. You know it's opposite. No.
Yes.
I did not get that.
Wait, is it actually opposite?
The joke
If I'm
about
wrong, it's actually opposite day?
Oh, why y'all?
Because if it's actually opposite day, then Corey don't add anything.
No.
Shut the fuck up.
We're gonna
Said
kill
no,
you.
that means he's adding it.
Yeah.
I already have a song based on it. I mean, what?
Excuse me?
The entity breeding.
Yeah, the devs are once again not telling me what they're doing. God damn it.
I'm making a filler.
Please like the stream.
Okay. Worry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go now. I'll still like watch over to make sure nothing bad happens, but watch the stream mainly.
Yeah.
So if you need me to
Okay, Papyrus.
What? Okay, well. Anyway, okay, so whilst
Alright.
Maz, get out of here.
what are you doing in the I didn't mention this, but what are you doing in the background? What is this?
Me?
Yes,
A
what?
filler.
Yeah, but why?
Because I can.
Also, by the way, for context, I suggest everyone.
Sorry.
What? What?
What?
You good? You good, brother? You good?
I said holy guacamole. Why y'all insulting me, bro?
Because you said it completely out of the blue. That's why.
Sorry, bro. I'm playing a game. I'm wrapped in the game.
I can. Okay, never mind. I wouldn't be able to tell.
Alright, I gotta go, but this was nice.
For like 2 seconds, the 2 seconds he joined, yeah.
Never nice. It's never nice.
Bro, why is everyone pulling a my father?
Because no one wants to be here.
Yeah, I know it sounds like I'm schizophrenic, but I can't really help that.
And this community level is looking fire right now.
Yeah.
Filler is gone.
Bro, y'all are not real.
Okay, so what do we actually make? No one is actually.
Oh, look who joined. Look who joined.
Uh-oh.
It's for.
It better not be who I think it is.
Add some fumos. Okay, I don't know how to make those.
Wait, I
Okay,
do.
what-
That's actually something I know how to do.
Yeah, then join the studio section and make it.
I have 6 new viruses now.
So what is?
You add a backdoor to the
It is
level.
Alright.
Mildred.
Mildred.
You know what? To get some.
Oh, I thought you deleted Mildred.
You know what? To get some ideas started, I just thought of a really basic idea. Why don't I just start placing why don't I just start making random objects and then people could just base them off of that, and then we could build something really stupid out of that.
I'll model
It's
something.
just like the Binding of Isaac.
I got an idea. What do you mean? It's just like the. What do you mean by that?
Cause like in the game, like you find out like a ton of things, and it's like one of the most perfect things you could ever do to a game. And so when you find those things, you get so excited, you scream like.
Are you good?
I know that you start placing a ton of things around the place, and soon it becomes like a collectible. And it actually, now that I think about it, it's just like Lethal Company. I love that game because the monsters in that game are so hot.
Ethan, can you?
What are you yapping about?
Ethan, can you stop sounding schizophrenic? You sound more schizophrenic than I do on the stream. That's impossible. How?
Oh no. Alright. Watch me make some Fumos in the blink of an eye.
Are you in the? No, you're not in here. He's not. Wait, is he?
No, I'm in here now. Hey, what the heck? I don't know where to go.
Wait, hold on.
I'm in the
It's.
back room. Help. It's so dark.
Did you click on the place extras - community level?
Ethan
No one-
isn't gonna like a Maz because a Maz doesn't count a music composer as a developer. He just says they're a composer.
No. No. No.
I'm not even kidding. Kraft is literally just a composer for some reason, even though he's literally a fucking dev for the game, technically.
That's lovely. We love
Maz is people.
we love underappreciating musicians. That is beautiful.
It's the trend.
Exactly.
Maz doesn't even do shit here anyway. Like,
Extreme. There we go.
No one is streaming in this channel, that's for sure.
Wait.
Okay. Okay.
Y'all are in-
Okay.
in Athens,
Oh my god.
right?
What's it? I deafened for a second just so I could say this. Yeah, apologies to the stream randomly dying, because for some reason the stream just stopped putting any data. I don't know what that was about, but I've got everything up. It's cool. We got a couple people here. You got the dog. We got Mom0367, and then we got that's it. We only got these three people in at the moment, but you know it's good enough, I guess. Anyway, I didn't specify this. I should probably specify it this time. If you want to suggest ideas, I'm reading chat as well, so do as you may. But it's yes, yes. Where is Ethan? He died. Anyway, I'm gonna undeafen now. There we go.
You're never gonna get over it.
I don't know what joke it is. I deafened.
Oh.
Oh, of course it's entity reading again.
Like Zoinks, man.
Yeah, for context to my YouTube viewers, fucking everyone keeps talking about entity breeding for the game. I hate that I had to say that too. Alright, making a very...
Pretty banger feature, both physically and metaphorically.
No, stop. We're not adding entity breeding in the game. Please stop.
Wait,
Hang on.
Hold on.
I already have the
remember,
theme
like-
song. It's already mandatory that we add it.
Y'all remember like Minecraft patch notes, how they would just, as a joke, put in something like remove Herobrine or whatever? Y'all remember that?
Yeah, of course I do.
Am I the only one who knows that?
No, of course I remember that.
To do that with TBRE, except as a joke, and just add remove entity breeding or something.
Yeah, we should do
Even though
that.
it's never-
Oh.
It's gonna be late tubular.
You need to stop talking like that, dude.
Exactly. That's actually a good thing to ask or like suggest. You gotta stop doing that.
No, I mean, it's just really cursed. I mean, I
No.
can't really talk because I can do the voice critical voice, but still, it's like that voice is cursed.
Hooray!
I'm disappointed that you see me like that, but unfortunately, I can do whatever accent I feel like. Huzzah!
You could? Again? Yeah, again.
Again, what?
Welcome to the Backrooms Revisited.
Honestly, this entire stream is just... It's literally just that one line from FNAF 1. It's like, the animatronics do get quirky at night.
The animatronics tend to get a little quirky here at night, but
I got luck up.
Yeah, oh my god, it's the correct... Yeah, oh my god, it's the correct reaction, the correct answer, TBG. It is the correct answer to that. Alright? We're going with that.
every single time I end up doing the voice critical voice, I remember that I can actually do it and it makes me want to do it more. But
You know, this actually isn't a terrible spawn. It's, except ignore that. Ignore that, alright? Ignore those.
What is this?
Why are you sniffing the spawn point?
I had to.
What do you mean you had to? What does that
It
mean?
was a necessity.
You specimen. You I don't even know anymore. Anyway, I've run out of shits to give. Anyway, here we go. I don't want to be conscript. Yeah, well, you are going to be conscripted now. Lava
you should
block.
just stream Geometry Dash gameplay.
No.
Yes.
I said I
I'm
put
the
I,
best geometry.
I put in like the bottom right of the stream. I just put Subway Surfers gameplay in the bottom right.
Oh, I'm playing Subway Surfers
No.
on my phone, actually. Hold up. I'm actually
Of
playing
course you
Subway
are.
Surfers. Hold up. I'm not kidding. I'm not-
What is- Why are you making a bathtub?
What about? What if we make Corey's stream over again?
Since when was the Chorus on Instagram? For like ever since I've made my YouTube account.
You will never ever get me to stream something like scrutinized, by the way. Like that would scare the crap out of me. Or it wouldn't scare the crap out of me, but it would give me a heart attack. So, you know. Because the jump scares in that game just hit incredibly hard, and I'm not someone who gets scared easily, but I would still just the shock of the moment would low-key give me a heart attack. So
The jump scares in that game? You mean like
in the game Scrutinized, if you've ever seen it, bro, the jump scares in that game are nasty, so.
the jump scare is a white guy jumping at you?
No, it's not.
All right.
They're just literally both of the jump scares. It's just white man jump scare.
They are
People are scary, especially when they're.
Especially then they're what?
One of them is
Especially when they're on like
Lucky
Adderall or
Charms,
something.
guy
Oh,
jump
fair.
scaring you, and the other one is cue ball jump scaring you. Change your name to Milk Dud.
Bro, I hate fighting poo. Guess what game I'm playing?
Risk of Rain. Enter the Gungeon.
Enter the gungeon. Close, it's close.
I need two different Subway Surfer gameplays right now. I can feel the rage boiling inside of me. Me too, Matt.
He is playing Undead Nation.
If you do not pick up the pace and start developing, I will go on TikTok instead of watching the stream. Yeah, okay, but no, seriously, they're right. We gotta actually do something, alright? I've been wanting to do it for a while.
Can I add the Funos?
Yes, come in the game and do it.
I can come in the game, but it's pitch dark and it's scary and I don't like it.
Where are you? What place file are you in?
I don't know, the Backrooms are no, fuck. The Backrooms revisited, bro. Almost messed up there for
Oh my.
In the play.
Yeah, you're in some other place. You're not in the you know. Why don't I just send a link to this goddamn place here? Let me get the place link, and let me just copy and paste that into like roblox.com/games/the place ID and give it to you.
I've got to do this like my normal development where I spend the whole time staring at Blender.
Yes, it's exactly like level 4. Yes.
4 minutes before the stream ends, just hey, I made a model.
There you go, Ethan. Look in your DMs. I put the link to the place. All you gotta do is just click.
Should we add trees, guys?
There we go. It's finally back. I seriously don't know why OBS keeps doing that, because like everything else is fine, but then OBS is like, oh, I'm dead.
Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? What?
Yeah, see, he's finally here now. I'm also lowering the bitrate slightly. Hopefully that helps.
Here's.
Alright.
This is late, by the way.
Time for me to do what I was made to do.
I might also be forced to switch networks, like from my 2.5 gigahertz to my 5 gigahertz, but like we'll see. If OBS like locks up again and doesn't send any data, I'm gonna do it. But either way, the quality is like 1440p. Oh, sorry, it's the lowest quality there. I said it. Now you can yeah, there you go. All right, what are you doing? What is?
Hey, don't touch it, don't touch it. It's gonna become a masterpiece. I'm literally creating a god at the Backrooms.
Touch.
First, I need to figure out how to make this transparent.
You know what, guys? You know how to make this even better?
No.
Sunset.
There you go.
Sunset.
I got you, Ethan.
Now I can do what I always wanted to do.
Yeah, let me just increase the rays real quick too. Let me just. And now everyone is blinded. No, I'm joking. Was it 0.1 before? Yeah, it was. It was 0.01.
Alright. I gotta figure out which one I'm gonna do.
Actually, you know what I could do? Just to show off a bit more of the framework instead of just sitting here with the framework assets in place. Like, look at this. They're all here and everything. It's just... Of course. You know, yeah, we're anchoring this too. Actually...
No!
Actually, wait a minute. What would it look like if I unanchored it and then ran? Yes! That is beautiful. We're keeping it that way. I got a better idea actually, because to show my epic programming skills, all I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna create a proximity prompt using the framework. I'm gonna I'm gonna put it to custom, and put 2 attributes on it for the framework to pick it up. I'm gonna do display tooltips, I think it was, and we're also gonna do something else. I forgot what it was. Let me get the framework testy place just to figure out what I'm supposed to be typing in again. Door manager. I pray to God that okay, the stream isn't seeing that. Why did you put the flag? Why the flag?
Flag, bro.
What do you mean?
Flag.
What do you mean? What flag? You knew what you did.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Wait. Why is Spadoof here? Yeah, well we'll keep him up here. Why not? We've got a Fumo. We're keeping him here.
He said I want this added, so I added it.
Okay, a step in the right direction. We need Subway Surfers. Holy Germany. Alright. Script. We're gonna create a really basic script.
What the hell is this?
And we're gonna do this. We're gonna grab the part. This is gonna be really boring probably, but you know. This is for the meme. This is for the betterment of humankind, alright? What was that for like a single frame?
I know, I saw it too. What is this?
Oh, no, get that out of here. What is that? Get rid of it. I'm gonna name this Fumo so it's easier to dictate to while I'm at it.
Yeah.
What is this?
What the f- Stop!
It just goes back to me.
Yeah, I get you love Germany, but not that much. Not that much to turn it into a person.
You know what? Just because of that.
Wait, what? Yeah, credits for storage facility. Stop promoting yourself. As it should be.
I do have
Alright, okay. I'm gonna do has ran. I'm gonna do
Mario.
if it has ran, then return. Has ran equals true, and then we're gonna just simply get rid of the anchor. Perfect. What are you doing to these images? I might as well just do like a for loop and just like it just randomly flick between them as how many images keep being put onto the. What? No, I'm not letting you put any more on. I'm just gonna click play.
Who's gonna play?
Oh my god, it's the real
What
chorus
the heck
that's
is it? Oh wait, no, that's just that one person.
Oh my god, it is the real Chorister 7 from the Backrooms Revisited? Yes, it is. What was the goofy ass laugh? What?
We've got the screamer Skybox.
Oh, I'm still the wrong character. I gotta fix that. Also, I should probably disable the sound because I don't want that playing every time. So, why is that an image that's allowed on what? Why is Screamer the skybox? Why is he the fucking sun too? Why is he the moon? What is this? Why?
He is everywhere.
Now this is community creation right here.
Hell yeah, bro.
Now this is bussin'. Fucking hate myself.
Can we keep this? Can we please?
Now where's the stupid thing that's like, oh, it's in the intro GUI like fucking parameters, right? I forgot, I'm an idiot. I think it's in somewhere in here. I gotta find it. Hold on.
Yo.
Where is it? Where's the thing? Check if played. Yeah, turn that off. Level Screamer, class difficulty Screamer.
We all gonna die.
Okay. First off, I need to change the character name too. I think that was in here somewhere. Where is it? Also, I gotta fix this at some point. Save items and leave. That's something I gotta actually implement because I've got the boolean there, but I just haven't got like the actual code that dictates it. Also, I'm gonna force multiplayer from when we all do a test stream, like when we all test the game and shit. Okay. Where's the thing I'm looking for?
Like Mario.
Where is the thing I'm looking for? Where is it?
Got so many great player suggestions so far.
You start a character. Okay, let me change this to male. There we go. Also, I gotta give them the actual names because I can tell you the male's name. His name is Liam. I know, really fucking generic name, but that's it. That's his name right now. It may change in the future, but that's his name at the moment. And he does not look like this. That is my character, but I thought it's multiplayer. That's why it's my character. Anyway. Yeah, I'm actually playing on stream. You can see how the framework looks and everything. It's a lot better than before. Yeah, you can tell that a year went into this. Ah! Anyway, is this gonna work? I don't think this is gonna work because I think the proximity prompt is too high. I don't think I can touch that. Hold on. Is there a way that oh, it's display tooltip. No wonder why it doesn't work. Here, let me fix that. Tooltip.
Fix it, Felix.
Fix it, Felix. Add Jeff the Killer AI. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm writing that down.
No.
Yeah, I'll create some really basic AI that will like always target the player. Like that's what I'll do.
Corey, make Gabe work, please.
Make what?
Gabe, make him animate and everything.
Gabe. Who is this fine specimen named Gabe?
Over here.
I'm playtesting right now. I don't know who Gabe is. I'll look at a bit.
The white creature.
Explicitly the white creature. Gotcha.
What the fuck?
Yeah, let me see if this works. Let me size this down a little bit. It's not sizing down. That's the wrong part. No wonder why. Oh, no wonder why it's not working. I did it on the wrong part. Wow, so crazy. It's almost like I haven't developed before.
Don't kill it.
I'm not
It's a human like you.
Oh. I don't know if the human part is accurate, but wait, I just removed the
The best tree ever.
I removed the decal by accident. I was meant to put it on this one. Yes, I guess. It's better than nothing at this point. Alright. What is the name of the level? It's Extras Community Level, that's the name of it. So, hope that helps, I guess. Anyway, let's see.
Why did you anchor? Why did you anchor it?
Because I want to, I'm making a funny script where if you interact with it, it just falls into the abyss.
Wait, but I can't control D it.
Alright, here we go. Yes, E to interact, perfect. Event not found apart. Oh yeah, because
Why did it no control D?
I made a better tree.
Hold up.
Alright, let me... Oh, because it keeps switching... Okay, I understand why it keeps happening, because it keeps switching between 5 GHz and 2.5 every, like, 2 seconds. No wonder networks. I'm disabling connect automatically on the other one. That's why it kept happening. I'm so sorry. Yeah, that is a skill issue. Yeah. Also, it should be live again, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, it should be... Oh, the stream is the stream really delayed, or is that just my end? Because oh no, the what's that? The add attribute thing is not showing up. I thought it was delayed. Anyway, let me do what was the attribute for the event thing again? I forgot what the attribute was. It was interactable. Yeah, right. Interactable. Use. Cool. Let me see if this works. Great. Doesn't know how to stream. Just you right now. No, I do know how to stream, but it breaks a lot because I'm an idiot. Anyway. Alright, let's see if this finally works. Please work. God damn it! God damn it! It's not working. God damn it! I hate. I am learning how to hate. Alright, what? Anyway, why no worky? Why no worky?
Okay, the trees are scripted properly now.
Oh no! What? How did you go about scripting them? What the fuck?
Humanoid take damage 100.
Okay, but where's the script for them?
It's Like, in
Oh.
the part that's a child of the model, I stole most of the code from one of my other games and then rewrote it to not set network ownership.
That's a thing. That's a thing that it did.
Yeah, it was to change the player's gravity. It was a very hacky.
You know, there's a better way of doing this. There's a better way of getting the character. You just do game get service players, and then get player from character, hit dot parent, or in this case, hit dot find ancestor from class. Oh no, yeah, find first ancestor of class. Yeah, I was right. And then model. That gets the character, and then you can get the humanoid based off that character.
Real.
And then find first child of class in case it has a different name. For some bizarre reason, even though the framework doesn't do that, then humanoid, and then if not humanoid, then return. Also, humanoid should be changed a little bit so that it's consistent. And then we can just simply do this. Yeah, I'm so good at programming. Yes.
Programming lesson from Corey.
Yes. Yeah, like, see, that's gonna be different, and that means it's better.
Although, should I make it play a sat mode?
I think I know why this isn't. Oh, because
Guys, rip the tree.
Can Collide is enabled. No wonder why it doesn't do anything. Technically, it unanchors, but it doesn't actually do what it's supposed to. I might actually, because of how many Fumos are being placed, I might create an entire like tag service sort of thing where all of these get affected when you touch them rather than just one. But just
different effects. Make one of them like make you like. Lie.
but like but just so that I can.
Green, like, wavy.
But just so that I can like get actual things in. Where was the other suggestion I was given? Like earlier, I need to find it. So add Jeff the Killer AI. That's what it was. The stream is bugged.
Add it to Gabe.
No, it's not. The stream is fine. I'm looking at OBS. It's uploading 1,000 kilobits per second or whatever. Sorry, 10,000.
Here's Gabe. Corey.
Refresh your page, damn. Yeah, everyone else doesn't have an issue with it. So, also what?
Here's Gabe.
I'm blind. Oh, you mean this guy? You mean this goofy goober? Yeah, his name is Gabe.
Yeah, you should like give him the Jeff the Killer AI.
Double Thunder. What is this?
Loud.
Okay.
It's gonna make the tree play the
Okay, I'm back.
might sound, but I can't find it.
I don't understand. Why does OBS keep dropping out every 10 seconds? I don't get it. I'm doing literally everything in my power to stop it from happening, but yet it keeps doing it anyway. It's fine. I'm dropping the bitrate slightly lower again.
Gotta give this.
There. Hopefully that fixed it. It's at 8,000 now. I know it's a bit of a like. I feel like that's a bit of a rip on the stream's part. But if it means the stream behaves properly and doesn't drop out every like 10 minutes, then I feel like that'd be a bit of a W. He can't even fox his stream. Yeah, alright. I'm like genuinely confused, but either way. I believe we need some Grey Man action. Yeah, you know, I'll do that. I'll put the Grey Man in, and I'll have him be the Jeff the Killer AI. That's a perfect combination of things. I just did my avatar by accident. I meant to do a block avatar. Yeah, there we go. So this is Grey Man here. Yeah, I think for ultimate you know, epicness, we're gonna also make him R6. Because that seems like it'd be better. Yes. Brilliant. It is a wonder how your mind comes up with suck ideas. Wait, where's his face? What did you do with his face?
I got you.
Fine, keep it aside. I don't even care anymore.
Let me dress him up. Hold on.
But he's supposed to be great.
Hang on. I gotta get the clothes on.
I got a better face.
What are you doing this?
Bird.
Why?
Oh no. This shirt goes hard, bro. This shirt goes hard.
Fumo man, it's over. It's Jova, more like it. Also, for the moment, I'm gonna close the framework testing place because I don't need any more assets from it. But also, no, don't turn Sol into a marketable Fumo plushie. BRB lads. Dude.
It's a galaxy shirt. We need that. We need that in here.
What the fuck? Actually, you know what I could do? I could go into Roblox's catalog and get like really stupid like shirts and stuff and dress the gray man up, and then I'll actually program it.
Stupid shirts when you can get amazing shirts.
No, because these shirts are also they're blessed. That is not. You know what?
That is good.
Yeah, I'm gonna set. I'm gonna show. I'm gonna.
Got a good idea, and I'm gonna make it worth it. What?
Okay, you know, here's a better way of doing this. First off, get rid of the decals because they're not good. Second of all, I'm gonna actually put on a proper shirt for this guy by actually putting on shirt as an instance and then doing this. And hopefully that works. Yeah, there we go.
I don't know what to do for the pants.
I'll search up Germany again.
No, I got a good idea. I have a good idea for pants. You know the bloody chainsaw murderer pants that make it look like you're shitting blood?
Oh no.
Also, there's an army.
The head too.
Hold on. So it's black, red, yellow. So by that logic, this would be yellow. No, it wouldn't. It'd be red. So yeah, there we go. What? No, no face on the torso. Stop. Stop. Oh my. Okay, you know what? The Fumo could stay, but like.
Never.
Okay. Well, here we go. We're gonna name this guy. We're gonna name him Jeff the Grey. Perfect. Ignore the fact that he is clearly not grey, but you know this'll do. So here's a better way to delete this. Delete the game. Germany country Fumo. Yeah, I'd rather just at this point. I don't blame anybody for wanting to delete the game after seeing this. Some poor soul is gonna play the game on release, not know anything about this context, not know anything about the stream or anything. They're gonna load into it and be like, "What the fuck is this? Why?" And then I'd have to painstakingly explain to them, "Yeah, it was part of a live stream," and then they'll still not get it. So, you know, I feel like it should just stay unexplained. I'm not even gonna add in like any text or anything that like says what this is. I'm just gonna have it completely unexplained. Oh my god, Crispy! Hi, Crispy, hi! Anyway, yeah, sorry, Ethan.
Geography quiz. Can you name every country on the map of this guy's shirt?
What the fuck? It's barely readable!
No, you can name them. You can name them if you focus hard enough.
I'm no geographer. I don't know this.
Alright, I'll name one. Europe.
Wow, you're so good. Wow. Also, I love how you actually put.
Help me make this army over here work.
What the fuck? Did you get this straight from the beta testing place? Oh my god, you did. Yeah, we're using the
Why does he have the normal difficulty?
Yeah, we're using.
Wait.
We're using this guy's AI. We're gonna like implement it into this guy over here. Because like it's probably a better idea than having to script. It's supposed to. I thought I made it work before. Why?
Tree also doesn't work.
Let me play really quick. I'll tell you what the error is.
Nothing is working. Ah. Also, animate's fine. I can leave that as is. But follow by attack should work. I edited this. Oh, because it's trying to find this and like module. Yeah, I named it to modules a while ago. That's why it still doesn't work because it's still trying to find something. Oh, because players doesn't exist as a thing. Yeah, I forgot to do that too. That's another thing I forgot to do. I forgot to add a players instance into the map. I forgot to add players here. There we go. Now it should work, hopefully. I mean, that should work by the... What? What do you mean it doesn't work? Oh, right. I'm an idiot. There we
Okay, stop putting bikinis on the Fazbears.
That's better. Alright, let me go through each follow script and like, let me go through each follow script and
Ethan,
fix it.
stop.
Not this. Okay.
You're vandalizing my property.
What about that? What about that shirt?
I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
Alright, I'll go through each follow and I'm gonna
Strongest.
place the follow in there and that should hopefully not break them anymore. I forgot about that. Oh my... Entity's not... Oh, yeah, because I forgot to name this, the humanoid entity in this. Because I forgot that's the thing that I did with the entity. There we go. Because it only targets humanoids, not entities. Which means it targets the players only, not themselves. Although I can make them target themselves if you guys really want. But it probably wouldn't be a good idea. Because everyone would just... It would just be a war against Germany and the Freddies. Which... You know, it sounds... Which actually kind of sounds interesting. But, like, you know... Just...
Maybe give it a try.
Just for the sake of the...
Germany has already colonized the tree, so...
They have... Of course they have. Also, what is this? You know what, let's keep this in, actually, then. Parkour. Yes, parkour to escape Freddy. And on the other side, it's just Patrick.
They had trees under it, but then I realized the trees didn't work.
Of course they didn't work. Also, I'm gonna make this floating so that you don't die instantly by the stupid Freddy and the other goofy goobers. Yeah, I'm just gonna extend this outward. Whoa, that broke a lot when I did that. Look at that. Yeah. Is this Mario or Luigi? Waluigi? Yes. I don't even know what's happening in the chat anymore. Request for you articles, Corey Fumo emote. No! Don't suggest that ever again. Do not ever suggest that idea. You stupid. Fu Mario.
Oh my god.
It's
A hostile developer banned him from all platforms.
what? But I am the director. I'm the one that made the game. I'm shitting and pooping right now. Anyway, did it try to index twice? Oh no, there's just 2 versions of it, right? Well, not anymore. Not anymore. Bye bye. Oh yeah, this is the. You guys want to see what the you guys want to see something really interesting? You want to see what the save files look like in table form? Well then, here you go. It's just an index. Well.
Telling me TBRE is gonna have saving.
Wow.
TBRE is gonna have sex.
Wow, it's almost like I'm using an entire profile service module to do all the heavy lifting so that I don't have to spend 20 years programming an entire custom system that doesn't need to exist when there's already a module that does exactly what I need it to do. That will also be credited in the game's credits, don't worry. Why is that so loud? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Why was that so loud?
We need a password system like in the old NES games.
Oh no.
To remember.
Oh my god, they're coming. They're coming. Oh no.
What?
Oh fuck! I have to lower my volume too because they're too loud. Ah! Nah! Nah! Oh, and just a bunch of errors in the thing. Okay.
Epic fail.
Am I able to respawn with this framework or is it bugged? Oh no, I'm able to respawn. Okay. I thought that was gonna be like bugged out. I mean, technically it is because it printed out an error, but whatever. With a U? No. No, they are not. They are just slowly moving towards me, you know what? I'm gonna be the ultimate sacrifice. Oh, wait, I have shift lock enabled. Shit! No! 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 I gotta disable shift lock for this. Because I forgot to disable it in, like, the players thing or whatever. At least the respawn works consistently. It's just an error when it tries to actually transition, it, like, fails miserably. But, like, you know, at least it works accurately this time instead of like breaking like after one use. So, is that Freddy Fazbear? Yeah. Spoiler alert: this was in the beta testing update, just to test how like damaging would work through like really basic AI. So, yeah. Also, I'm gonna lower its volume to like 0.2 so that I can actually have the stream like audio enabled. So I'm gonna go in and do looping to like a really low volume to like 0.1, and then we're gonna do screaming to 0.2. That should hopefully be better. Alright, hopefully that doesn't mean your earballs will be blasted when I play this. Did y'all catch the YT link in the death message? Oh yeah, that was a base 64 like thing. I don't know. I gotta rewrite those messages. Those are pretty old. Anyway. Okay, this is better. This is better. You can actually hear things now, and it's not incredibly loud. So that's better. Look at all of them.
Why did I see
I was gonna stand still to see how fast they attack, but they just instantly railed me. Jesus. Instant death. Instantly died. What is this? Why? Attack this thing. I mean, I will, probably in a bit.
I swear to God, who made a skibbity toilet? We're gonna get sued.
Why did you import this? Also, there are... Oh! They all died except for these two. These two are the only survivors.
What happened? Oh shit.
I mean, if you look at the stream, you'll you look at the live stream, you'll know. Yeah. These goofy goobers. Yeah, I'm looking at you. What the fuck? What are you gonna do? You gonna walk off the edge too? Go on, walk off the edge. Perish. No, you're just gonna stare at me whilst holding the block. All right. Yeah. You know what? Let me. There you go. Now you're out. Now I can do this. Also.
Holy moly.
Also, don't.
That jumbo, Josh.
Also, don't worry about the stamina not going down. I'm working on a stamina rewrite, which is why it's infinite at the moment. But yeah. Either way, I just thought I'd like to point that out there before I forget. Either way. Wait, you get sent on its head. Wait a minute. There we go. Perfect. Yup. Yeah, this is perfect. Why can I not chat? I forgot to fix that. You know, I'll fix it. I'll fix it just manually for the moment, but I gotta fix that in like the yeah, I gotta fix that at some point. Started GUI set core enabled. Enum core GUI type chat true. There we go. Now I can do this. Yes. Also, hello Astro. I guess I didn't say that earlier because I forgot. Anyway, if you could bring one more fictional character to life, who would it be? It would be this guy. 100% this guy. Totally not. Anyway, I've had my fun with him. I'm just gonna do this. There he goes. Into the Shadow Realm he goes. Into Screamer he goes. Also, you want to see all the errors that have been outputted all because of the Freddy Fazbear's? Beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, I'm yet to test this. Does this actually work? I forgot. Does this work? Yes, of course it works. Anyway, okay, so we've added in the quote-unquote grey figure. We've added in a bunch of Fazbears. We've added in this, whatever this is, and then we've added in this ginormous tree for some reason. It's gonna be like those like survive character games where it's just like a free model treehouse.
I can't find this part in the Explorer. Every time I click on it, it expands every single thing, and I can't find it.
Okay, I gotta read this out. Make it so if someone die, a loud scream happens. I'm not blasting their ear holes unless I add like a warning before like going into the level saying that has really loud noises. I'm probably not gonna do that because that seems a bit iffy. I'm not gonna lie. But what I am gonna do.
Only scary if it's loud.
No, it isn't. Also, by the way. I'm unanchoring this and put this on the side so no one will ever see it in game. It's only gonna be in stream. Anyway, I'm gonna move this code. I'm gonna tag all these Fumos. Actually, I'm gonna name them all Fumos as well, just so I understand. I don't even know what a Fumo is, but I'm just gonna name all these. So I know.
This word literally doesn't exist in the Explorer.
I'm an unconscious swine, I know.
says it's the title of the tree, but objectively Explorer it is not.
Alright, I'll show you guys how I create really stupid scripts. Here, like, place specific. Let's create really stupid tag scripts. Here we go. Fumo Manager, we'll call it. I don't know why I'm going this far, but I am. Anyway. Now let's get collection servers. And we'll also get the player servers. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a private functions thing. And that'll be... Actually, no, we don't really need that. I could just do functions, because they're all not really private. And I could do... Oh, right, I gotta set up the meta table, right? I'm gonna name it Fumo. We're gonna give it a...
I'm killing Gabe.
We're gonna give it an index of itself, I believe, if that works. What did I do wrong? Oh, right, it's supposed to be that. There we go. I'm an idiot. And let me get this up real quick on the dev form, just so I understand collection servers. Let me just quickly get this up so I know what I'm doing.
When do we even end this, by the way?
Whatever like no more ideas are suggested, or like at some point, whatever it's been long enough. It's already been like an hour, but I feel like it's not been long enough because most of that hour is just us setting up shit and all that. So. Let's do Fumo tag name, and we're gonna do Fumo object. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna make an entire video explaining everything and why I've been like inactive and shit. Most of it's already been explained from the CS7's realm, but I'm gonna re-explain it as like, in video form so that all the people that don't want to read a giant like essay that I've made don't have to read it. They can just listen to it or watch it instead, which would probably be a lot more interesting. So, yeah, publicity, woo! Anyway, Fumo setup. Cool. I think at one point this failed because I did this or something and it failed. Oh no, it's fine now. Function, Fumo, new. Oh, we do Fumo. The amount of times I'm saying Fumo, I'm gonna die by the end of this.
I just realized why nothing was appearing in the Explorer. It's because I had an S typed into the search bar.
I do that a lot more than you think. As I was developing shit for like level 0's like events and stuff that I'll talk about more in a bit. But I made it sound more interesting than it actually is. But either way, whilst I was developing stuff for that, I typed in like the letter P or something by complete accident, and then I was wondering why nothing was displaying. Really getting a liminal feel from this community. Yeah, of course. That's the whole point of the game, right? Yeah. Okay, function.
Owie.
Oh yeah, that was a death message. I think that's actually in the game. Hold on.
It is. I just got it.
Death screen. Hold on, let me look at the death screen attributes. Also, yeah, these will have to change because these don't align with the story anymore. Aside from owie.
How the hell did you die?
Oh yeah, I forgot the framework feature that I didn't tell anybody. If you fall into the void, the game mocks you, like sort of. The game is like, how the fuck did you fall into the void? Of all things, how did you fall into the void? Because like the game expects you to have like an actually decently designed map where you don't fall into the void, but because this map doesn't have any barriers and you can just fall into the void and die and perish, it gets confused and it's like, okay, how?
We need to make it like the Source Engine, where if there's anything that leads to the void, the map just won't start.
Is that a thing that Source Engine does?
Yeah, you have to close off the map, otherwise you get something called a leak, which basically just makes the map not compile.
Oh, that's okay. That's kind of smart, actually.
Because Source Engine doesn't have like a skybox. The skies are just a like special texture, so every map's enclosed. So in some games, if you throw a grenade, it can hit the sky and just bounce down.
Alright, okay, so we're gonna add... Oh, I gotta add a cache thing to it, forgot about that. There we go. And we're gonna add a part of the... I gotta do Fumo new, and then the object. And we're also going to add this to the cache as object. Actually, how does one do that again? I remember there was a more clear way of doing this, I just completely forgot. I remember there was better scripting for this, but either way, instead of relying on that, because clearly it's not doing what I want, I'm going to go into a box manager and see how I did it there real quick. Here we go. Yeah, that's what I was hoping. Okay. Yeah, the tag system is really new to me, so I got to refer off of my own coding just so I can remember. So cache, cache object equals Fumo new, and then the object. That's how it's supposed to be done. And then on object removed, we're going to add in another object, and then we are going to do something here. So if not cache object, then return cache object equals nil. That should be good. Oh, we can also do the cleanup, right? The function that I also forgot to add. Yeah. All right. That you made an animation a year ago when you actually made it 4 years ago. The stream died. Let's go. Best stream ever. Yeah, pretty much. I don't know what's happening. Australian internet. If I was plugged into Ethernet, it probably wouldn't happen. But fucking, I have to use Wi-Fi 6 because there's no, or Wi-Fi 5 technically, because I don't have Ethernet in my room. So I can't use Ethernet. Yes, they made so many.
Wi-Fi is so good. The might operate Wi-Fi too.
Here we go. Alright, so what else am I missing? I don't think I'm missing too much else. Oh, right. I forgot to add that. Oh, right. I forgot to add a connection. Oh, no. Okay, I've got to actually refer to these specimens. I've got to actually make sure I'm doing this right. First off, new should look a little something like this. So let's do that. Set meta table, self, and then, actually, Fumo self, I think it was. No, it's the other way around. I might as well just.
Liminal treehouse is done.
I'm sorry, but that texture up there, that texture up there on like the leaves, that looks straight out of the Amazing Digital Circus. I'm gonna be straight honest. Yeah, like that looks straight out of it.
Corey, I got a bomb that I juiced up on like every single drug known to man. Can you help me make it so it respawns?
Okay, that's cool, but is it liminal?
Yes, definitely. Here, I'll make it liminal real quick.
How does
Setting the Elmo head security camera for one of my other games.
Oh my god. Elmo! Elmo! This isn't even like, this is semi-community at this point. This is like, I mean, then again, we are kickstarting it off and they are actually like suggesting ideas, but like, you know, Among Us. To be fair, I should add like a Subway Surface reference in this level just to like fuck with everyone more.
Do it.
How much of this level so far is just a dog?
A lot of it. A lot more than I'm willing to admit.
Wait, what? Is a lot of it me or something?
I think 85% of it.
Yeah, I'm the best dev other than Corey.
Okay, buddy.
Community spokesman, the dog.
Yeah, give me co-owner right now. Co-director. Trust.
Okay, Fumo, and then player. Okay, before I do anything...
Can you, like...
What?
I need you to upload this image to the group so I can use it.
Why can't you just upload it yourself and use it?
It doesn't let me. It says you cannot create content for this group.
But
Make a place and upload it.
no, not even that. Just go into Roblox, like the Roblox creation, like the create a dashboard, upload the image, and then just simply copy and paste the ID into it. You could literally just do that.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
I have a place
stupid.
just dedicated to dumping stuff that need to upload it to TBR.
Connection.
I can't.
Also, that's a weird thing to have because like the game I don't think it would require that much. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, this is peak design right here.
Screamer boom.
We need some Among Us, like the infamous BU April Fool's level. I remember working on that fucking MEG boss fight. I hated it by the end because I realized the whole point of it was just completely idiotic and that I'd spent way too much time on it. So I don't even have the source code for it anymore. Like I got kicked from the fucking group and I no longer have the source code to it. So that's lovely. My shit got stolen. It's Jova. I really don't care, to be honest. If it didn't get stolen from me, like if I actually was able to save it before like being an idiot and not saving it, I would have like put it in another, probably in this level actually, but I fucking didn't save it, so that's lovely. No one's ever gonna see it again.
I can't wait for a screamer bomb to become a thing we can use.
Alright, what was I gonna do for the setup? Yeah, right. I was gonna create the proximity prompt. We're gonna do prox.style equals prox style custom, because that's a requirement for the script to pull it up. Action text, we're gonna do, to interact with Fumo, and then object text. We're gonna do, a Fumo. That's it. Not even that. I'm gonna put it in all lowercase. A Fumo. Set attribute interactable. True. Prox set attribute display tooltip. True. And then we're gonna parrot said proximity prompt to the object. And then we're gonna do an event. And we could just straight up copy paste this bit. Like it's literally identical, minus the box bit here. And then we can return the event. Oh, by the way, we should probably do this to just to be more clarified. Oh no, it'll always return an event. It's fine. All right. And before we do anything else, I just want to make sure that that it actually exists and like it actually works properly. So we're gonna run. And that's a lot of errors to do with the tree. Nice. But did it create the assets? It sure did. I should probably go in first and delete everything minus the thing. For child in pairs, object get children. Someone's gonna make a stupid joke out of that.
Alright, I have the perfect gift for this situation.
It's gonna be exactly what I think it is. Batch for cooking them all. No, batch for entering the level to begin with. Yeah, it's the EDP, like, get children fucking meme. Of course it is. Anyway, we're gonna delete all these children. We're gonna get rid of all of them. Screw them all. So, like, if there's any children in here minus the decal, it'll all get deleted. So if I run this, it should just look the same. Yeah, nothing's been deleted per se, but that's because it's been replaced as opposed to deleted. So let me get rid of those. So now all of them should have an interact option. Cool. So if I do this, that one does. Okay, something really bizarre just happened. Like something really bizarre. So my stream dropped out for a little bit again. That's kind of expected. But what wasn't expected is the fact that I dropped out, apparently both on Discord and literally Roblox itself, but I could hear you guys fine, but I couldn't say anything. That's
a weird thing that happened.
That's happened before, but it's never happened that much. That's a bit screwy, but whatever. Why can I not get the children of a part? I don't understand. Why is it not letting me do that?
Get
Shut up! Yeah. How about this? I print out the object type of the fucking object. Let me see if, like, they're different. Nil. Oh, so it's just nil. That explains it. Okay. So...
make sure you don't get it confused with the script I'm working on right now. It, like, just tested it to see if it worked.
Why is it still trying to get an object with nil? Oh, because the fucking object here doesn't exist. What am I doing? It's self. That's what it is. It's fucking self. What am I doing? No. Anyway, that explains a lot. In fact, speaking of which, I'm gonna Fumo instance equals nil, and what I'm gonna do is in the setup, I'm gonna have. Actually, I am gonna pass through the Fumo for a bit. I'm gonna do self.instance equals Fumo.
Hey, Spidoof, what was that? Bro.
Mistype, misinput.
What did you do?
Nah, that ain't no misinput. Lil bro said we love to be minors here in TBRE.
Bruh!
Ban him.
Is it still airing out? Oh yeah, because it's trying to get the right. I gotta replace all these with instance. I forgot. Beautiful. Now it should be able to run. I swear to God, if it bugs out again. Okay, it didn't, but all the decals disappeared when I asked it not to do that. I asked it not to delete the decals, and yet it did it anyway. So now I gotta figure out why it's doing that.
To do a while true do loop.
No, I'm not doing a while true do loop. I could just do a for loop. That's better.
I'm working. Oh yeah, that.
Oh no, if child is a decal, then continue. Right. That's what I should have done. There we go. None of the decals are being deleted anymore. That's good. Is this one has the stuff in it? Yes! We are making progress! Why does this one have 2 decals in it? Whatever, it's gonna keep it that way, unless both of them are the same. Both of them are the same. I gotta delete them then. I gotta delete one of them. Is it both of them are the same? Both of them are the same, yeah, might as well just keep it that way then. Cool. Alright, so now we have much more progress. We actually have a properly functioning thing here. Now we just need to make sure that it actually works, and like actually prints something. So let me go in and actually do it. Also, is chat doing anything at the moment? I can't tell, because it hasn't said anything since I got disconnected, and I'm worried that it's doing something stupid.
I don't think anyone's speaking.
Okay, good. Alright. I thought chat broke for a minute. Anyway, let me interact with this. It says, okay, so it does actually do something when I click it, so that's good, but it's not doing what I want, which is a bit of an iffy thing. Let me, also I should probably do this while I'm at it. If self.instance can collide, then we disable the collision. And what we do, there's no point safe checking it either, I might as well just do it. Instance dot anchored equals true. We want to make sure this is a thing for when we actually do the proper programming bit. There we go.
Oh really?
Alright. As for this, we can get rid of that call, because there's no point having that. There's no point having Fumo in here if we could just refer to it through self. So we can get rid of that. But for some reason, it says I have to call missing method on ping of table. And that's for some reason here. No, I don't think that's right. I don't know what it's doing. It's calling on player like as it should, but like I don't know what is happening. I may be stupid. Ah, my ear. You know what? I'm gonna do myself a favor real quick. Hold on. Perfect. Now we don't have to worry about them anymore. Anyway, so I can interact with all these, but if fastbar dead, no more fastbar. On ping doesn't exist. Why is that? Did I... Hang on, wait a minute. Did I do what I think I did? Did I do what I... No, I am doing it right. What the fuck? Oh, Kira's back. Hello.
Yeah, is this like dev only, or am I allowed to be up here? Am I gonna be murdered by the government?
No, you're allowed to be up here. Anyway.
Okay.
Is your mic so quiet?
Mine?
Yeah, your mic suddenly went quiet.
Oh, sorry, the government must have taken my voice again. I'm back.
Nice. Now I have to lower you
This
again.
is a reoccurring problem.
Ugh.
Alright, let's see. I gotta get on the Chorister 7 stream real quick.
Yes. Now, what am I... Now I just need to think, what am I doing wrong in particular? Why is this airing out? Why is this no work here? Is my index fine?
What did I miss? What is Corey making?
I am making a manager to manage all of these goofy goobers right here. Once the stream shows it, it's a bit delayed, but you know. There you go, sir. Yeah,
What the hell is this level right now?
I don't know, but we're doing it anyway.
I assumed you were gonna make like a fan level, like, you know, everybody suggests one level, like level 69, and then you try to recreate that level. I was not expecting Fumo.
Yeah, well, I said explicitly, it's a community level where, like, you give me ideas, I put it into all in one thing. But we could do that later on if you wanted. I'm not against that.
Yeah, this might be shit.
No, it's not. It's beautiful. What are you talking about?
In the bottom right, is that what is going on?
What?
Nice elbow over there.
you can talk to Mum 0367 about that. All right.
I'm currently making
Why
a
do you say
script
her
where
name like that, or his? Why do you say her or his name like that?
It's him, by the way. Also,
Why do you say her name like that?
because why not?
It's a dog.
Are you sure about that, dog? Have you checked yourself?
Absolutely.
Have you checked yourself, though? Have you fact-checked that?
I literally can't because Momo367 is an adult, and if that happened, that would be...
Wait.
Jail.
My bad.
I'm just gonna.
Rise instantly.
I was type B humor, not type A humor. I'm sorry.
Type A.
The type B and type
No,
A.
bro, you're not Andrew Tate.
I'm Andrew Tate, bro. I'm
Andrew Tate from Wish.
Andrew Tate from Wish. Okay.
That's a bit crazy. I'm gonna be real. Loading.
I'm trying to make the Elmo head right now, just like point a laser at like one player randomly.
I'm just gonna do this, just let all the goofy goobers fall off the stage. Yeah, here we go. Perfect. Bye bye.
How is the Elmo?
The script is currently not
So
working.
wait, something
Oh.
happened when you put them, I assume.
Yeah, something's supposed to happen, but like, I'm getting that wrong because I'm an idiot. Anyway, it's supposed to do this. There we go.
Currently trying to figure out why character is indexing, or player is indexing Bill.
Break code. Make new code. Break code. Look at fix. Fix code. It doesn't work. Get rid of Jack. Code works. Alright, let's see.
Also, I may have locked the characters in place so that they can no longer chase me down just for this. So, yeah. Also, either way, yes, it worked.
Yeah.
It's working. All right, good. We've made good progress. All right. Now I do this. I know.
What's it meant to do?
It-
Watching your stream and it just sends a code.
Yeah, but that's because I'm trying to make sure it works first before I do anything. Anyway.
Oh.
Now we do the fun. Now we do the fun part. That's it. We add in a single line.
Fumo. Anchored. False.
Also, ignore all these. These are like part of like the evil tree, because the evil tree just has so many errors for some reason. Either way.
It's got its own nickname. It's not notorious.
All right, you know what? Here's an easy.
Executed my entire family.
Here's an easy way for me to get rid of all of them. Here we go. They're all gone now. I'm so good at this video game.
You are, Corey. Don't let anyone tell you that you're stupid dog water at it. You're great at it.
Anyway. Yeah, it worked. For some reason, this was the prompt, but like I guess I'll delete the prompt like as soon as it like dies. But either way, now I can do all these. Oh no, the prompt does disappear. All right.
I thought it said press to enter or press to release open up.
This one is a bit broken.
Into the wild.
This one's still a bit broken, but either way. Can I interact with the bigger one? No, I don't think I can. It's too big for me to interact with. But this one's broken, so I gotta fix that. I think I know why too, so let me quickly go and fix it. This one. This one doesn't have the tag, that explains a lot. And then...
Yeah, that's cool and all, but did you know that we are Nintendo
Oh.
Ultimate TV Game System? You cannot beat us. Even with your robot partner, I forgot the rest.
Nice job.
Epic
Hey, it
fail.
says you cannot beat us like 80 million times. You can't blame me.
In all fairness, it took you a while to beat it, so you probably wouldn't care to actually like, you know, listen to it over and over again. So that's fair. Either way, I'm gonna do this now. Murder proximity prompt destroy. Oh, I could just do enabled equals false. Just so I could tell the client to no longer print that message. Because that should hopefully do it. He murdered Freddy Fazbear.
Fortnite.
Corey, what's your opinion on murder?
What's my opinion on murder? Freddy Fazbear.
Alright, great. I'll leave you guys to it. Have fun.
Yeah. Alright. Bye-bye. Oh, you love to see it. Anyway, I gotta fix a thing, like 2 things, but either way, I think this should work now. Yes, it works perfectly. Yes. Murder all the Fumos. Yes. Get rid of all of them. Except for this one, because you can't get rid of it still. What I can do, though, is this. Oh! It's avoiding conflict! No! It's still anchored somehow! How? My life is meaningless! Oh, I just had to unanchor it on server side, that explains it. I think all the other ones are still anchored technically, because I only anchor... Oh no, it's all server sided, right? I forgot. Once someone interacts with it, it's gone forever. It's never coming back. I forgot about that. Either way. Okay, here we go. So I've done that. Now I want to do 2 things. First off, what was it? Loading properties. I want to change this to joke, because clearly this is a joke level at this point. And then I want to, what else? I want to also change the title thing, wherever it is. Here it is. I want to change, okay, first of all, there we go, now it's all, oh, collapse, thank you. Also, title is the only one that's here. Where's body? Oh, it just didn't show up until I, okay, thanks Roblox. Anyway, the joke rooms, community level. I mean, technically it's an extras offer. Technically it's an extra, so I'll do the extra rooms. That's a nice keyboard you got in the background. Alright, let's see if this works. I think joke is like yellow, like piss yellow, as far as I remember. Oh no, it's red. And then like the loading icon is just a troll face. I forgot about that. That's beautiful. Anyway. The extra rooms, community level, let's go. I fixed it. I fixed the issue. Now that's peak. That's peak right there. Who is spamming emojis in the chat right now? Who is doing that? Me too, man. Just spam like 100. Just spam like 50 hundreds. Anyway. What the wait. I love terrible AI. This is genuinely hilarious. Why are they in a stack? Why is one on top of the other trying to like touch the spawn point? I don't. You know what?
They want your ass cheeks.
No, they do not. There we go. Owie. Owie, I'm dead now. Honestly, I kind of forgot how I detected if the player touches the void. I'm gonna be completely honest. I think there's like an event that gets called when you touch the void, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'll have to look into that. Either way, they're still... Oh my god, they're still all here. You know what? I'm getting rid of all of them. Screw you. They're all gone. I killed them all. Alright, perfect. So now I'm just left alone in this map of, something. I don't even know what this is. You know what this map could use, actually? While I'm at it.
What?
This map could use some Yumi Nikki soundtrack. Yeah, we're going that far. Yeah, playing looped. We're gonna have it to 0 volume because we're gonna let the intro. We're gonna let the intro scripting do it for us. Then we're gonna stare at 037. I'm gonna do where is it? You know what? You know what'd be even. You know what would be even better than you know what would be even better than Yumi Nikki, like the Yumi Nikki OST.
I swear, if it's that one soundtrack you keep using everywhere.
Is it? I don't know what you're talking about. What's the hell?
It is.
What's that? Hi, puppy. Hi. Anyway. Yes. Now this is based right here. Now this is the best music to play on stream. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is perfect. Oh no. Please stop it. Please stop, thank you. No, please. Fuck. Yeah, I'm alive again. What the fuck? Why? They're circling around me as if I'm some lord and savior or some shit. Look at that. You're a true Sigma. God damn, why did I read that out loud? Oh, Sigma, of course. Anyway. Not all are Sigma.
People join the stream chat.
Yeah, and we ironically enough have 3 people in the speaking thing for some reason. Either way,
Hi guys.
Hi. Also, I forgot to fix the chat again. There we go. Hi. Yeah, I'm gonna stop forcefully enabling. Actually, you know what? You're still working on the tree, right? Mom, there's physics 7.
Yeah, I'm working on a script on the Elmo head that I still haven't fixed. I don't know, missing upon the find first player thing.
Oh, hold on. I think that may have fixed it, or at least a bit of it, because I think there was multiple instances of that tree running. Yeah, there is. Yeah, okay, so for all of these scripts, where are they? Is every single part just... Wait, why am I unable to move? There we go. Is every single part just like a death thing or whatever?
Nah, it's just the trunk of the tree.
Oh, is it just the trunk? Because I'm seeing this script everywhere, like a lot of the place. Is it raining outside? Oh, well, what do you know? It's raining outside for like the first time in ages. That's crazy.
I'm trying to get the laser to work, which I have not succeeded at yet.
Backrooms Are Limited is my favorite TBRE modem. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that, to be honest. Either way, laser. While true do lock on. Something tells me this is going to something tells me this isn't going to work very well, but you know.
Yeah, it's the 6th line is just it's indexing bill, and I'm trying to figure out why.
Okay, well, if not hit, then return. That's something I probably should have done before, but you know. now I'm doing.
Should I have delayed the streamers?
It's just what?
The like YouTube streamers really delayed.
Yeah, well, that's just normal streaming at that point. So.
Yeah.
Oh right, I forgot to include a if not char then return. Probably should have done that to begin with. I don't know why. Because hit always has to return something. So it should be if not char, then don't do anything. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't. You know what? Oh no, I have to do it here. I was gonna combine these two if statements, but like that wouldn't work. Either way, I'll try to actually do this. I'll try to organize this a bit better. No, go away. We gotta check if we gotta check if the character exists. Okay, not the opposite way around. There we go. That one's fine. That one's also fine. Is it gonna work this time? Or Backrooms Relimited? Is that like a is it like a Steam game? No, is Roblox? I mean, does this look like does this look like does this look like a Steam product to you? Be honest with me. This totally isn't like it definitely doesn't say Roblox Studio in like the title bar that you cannot see. In fact,
This is a good product.
oh my god. Actually, speaking of which, is this gonna work the way I think it is? Oh yeah, I could just. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see the full title bars and everything. Woo. Anyway. But yeah, also this is apparently causing conduct for issues. Players, oh yeah. There's a better way of doing this. Yeah, I'll rewrite it. I'll rewrite it for you.
Yeah. The current script literally doesn't work.
Play equals. I think it was players get players. Just need to remember how. You need to remember how to do this. I think that's it, but I'm not 100% sure. That just gets an index between the thing. I just need to remember how to do it.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Right now
Players.
it's just meant to get a first player.
There's a much better way of doing this. Is this Backrooms Relimited? When is it releasing?
Never. It's not
What has my chat devolved to?
Backrooms Relimited.
Also, I just realized I'm still running the project. Is all my my shit's probably not gonna save. Yeah, I didn't. That's fine. There's players. Get players. There we go. Local player. First off, oh no, we could just rewrite the target thing. I don't know what I'm doing. Either way, we can players math.random players. I think that's how to do it. Then we can get like a set, and then if not target, then return, which means it basically just skips it. And the reason why we have to look for that is in case we're running the game rather than actually playing it. It's probably going to try to get a player that doesn't exist. Invalid to random intervals empty. Yeah, that probably explains it. If I actually play, I'm pretty sure it'll fix itself. No, it's.
Yeah, I didn't realize you could like use math.random mainly because I forgot about the get players command.
Yeah, get players is like really useful. Before you had to like actually go through each player in the list yourself and create a manual get players thing, but then they added this later on and it's super useful. So yeah. Anyway, this doesn't work. We're also gonna print the player. I'm gonna see. Does it work after I load in the game? Because if that's the case, I'm probably gonna have to delay the loading sequence a little bit. Because then I'm pretty sure that's the problem. What is your best and worst Roblox Backrooms game in your opinion? Actually, good question. Best? I don't know. That's up for debate. Like, there's a lot of Backrooms games out there. Some of them better than others. A lot of them are just walking sims, which is fine. But like, they don't really do much to fix that problem, nor actually make it more interesting. So that's like loosely where the problem is with Backrooms games at the moment, because a lot of them just copy each other. They're not really all that original, unfortunately, anymore. But what's it? Yeah, Dub Backrooms, I'd say, is a pretty big one for a hot topic. But I'm not saying it's a terrible game. But I am saying it has a lot of issues, and that's something to obviously point out. A lot of people know those issues, and come on, if I drop the sincerity for at least a second, it would definitely be me turning into why does this game exist, sort of thing. Which, at that point, I would start a giant rant, and people would probably think that I'm about to say something really stupid. So instead, I'd rather defer from that and ask myself what is the best Backrooms game. Here's where the hot topic starts to arise. This is where I immediately start going, yes, the entire chat is going to hate me for saying this. Best Backrooms game. A lot of people keep saying like high praise for Apeirophobia, a game I keep hearing about a lot. I used to like the game, like back in the first update, but every other update just kept making it worse and worse. So yeah, I don't know why people keep saying that it's the best Backrooms game still. It's barely a Backrooms game anymore. Like, Chapter 2 has, like, no relation to it, aside from like, liminal, but not really. Like, the liminal aspect sort of gets dumbed down when you realize there's a character following you around saying, this is an exit. Like, yeah, obviously it's an exit. Don't tell me it's an exit. It's right in front of me, stupid.
I think that this wall has a secret door behind it.
Yeah, wow, crazy! It's not like it's right in front of me! It's not like a dangling keys in front of me like I'm a fucking infant! Well...
The best Backrooms game is the Backrooms door emoji.
Oh, absolutely. It's just... The Backrooms door emoji. There you go, so... That's peak right there. I remember playing another one with big maps. I kept getting lost. In all fairness, that's sort of what the Backrooms is supposed to be. But at the same time, I don't think that's because they were trying to implement that in a sort of like you always feel lost sort of way. I feel like they just did it because of the level design. That's it. I feel like that was the reason. Either way, the official Liminal Archives game will come out in 2029. A sneak peek of the upcoming code. Wait, what? What do you mean by that?
The that one joke I've been making about all the wikis and the one for like the liminal archives, it was just World War II Germany.
Yeah, sounds about right. Also,
I've never been on liminal archives, but it sounds right.
Also, we're gonna display his name for all to see. There we go, perfect. But yeah, this is clearly the best. This is the best place that's ever existed. So what's it? I feel like the ideas have kind of died down too, and so the concurrent viewers, they keep dropping, which is fair. I don't get many views on my channel anymore. But that's because I don't really upload too much, and people probably aren't even aware that I'm streaming to begin with, because I sort of did this out of the blue, and you get the idea. Basically, there isn't too much to implement. I feel like this is good so far, so I might, instead, in a little bit, I might switch to actually showing more shit about the game itself, rather than doing whatever this is. So, add the scariest Backrooms edited video, realistic Backrooms game. That would take effort, which this level clearly isn't effort, even though that's sort of a lie because I programmed this entire fucking thing. But shush, you didn't see this. Let's keep it. You got talent, keep it hidden, sort of thing. Also, whoever organized the actual place, thank you for that. There's still a bunch of unorganized stuff, but like, at least it's better than before.
With the scripting, if I was like good at scripting.
Also, what 3D text? Who put 3D text in this? Leak.
That's the normal map texture for an actual like a model in the game.
It is.
Yeah, it's the light. It's a level 4.
Of course it is. Oh, I mean,
It is now in chaos.
I would show level 4, but the problem here is that it's so like it's still very incomplete to the point that it's not worth showing.
Yeah.
So
You look in the wrong direction and just see the like void right now. It only looks good if you specifically get certain angles, because I saw a
yeah, let's like it's really good so far, but it's definitely not worth showing off yet. So is level 3. Level 3 has a really good concept, but it's not developed enough. That's the thing I'm going to focus on today after the stream too, is like quickly build more of level 3 and actually grey box it. But as for level 1, as for level 1 and 0, I might actually be able to show that off on stream, because I know I already showed off level 0 on the Q&A thing, but no one's seen that, so I might as well show it off here. So I'm gonna quickly drop my window capture just for a sec, so you're not the stream's still working. Don't worry. I'm just dropping it off so that you can't see what I'm about to do, because I'm worried that if I'm worried. Okay. Well, that's it. You can do that, and I'm gonna be busy showing this. I'm just dropping the to a black screen for a moment. Stream's still fine. I'm just switching windows as well. So, yeah.
I can't believe the stream went down.
Oh no! This is heresy.
I still have beef with Liminality for removing Mildred from the intro plays.
Removing what?
Mildred, that like spider model.
Oh.
I just added the walls.
I was wondering who that goofy goober was.
I will add them back to level 4 on like a shelf or something.
Ugh. No one will have no clue what that specific what that reference is, because it's not supposed to be, but whatever. Anyway,
Top 10 Mildreds, I think.
are you ready to see level 0? Because I'm basic and I can't show much else at the moment besides level 0 and 1, which I'll show level 1 in a bit. But Among Us. Anyway, I'm just gonna reveal it. Yeah. Anyway, so here it is. This is level 0 at the moment. It looks very nice, because it's not just the same repeat of the no wallpaper sort of shit again. So at least that's good. It's not just a repeat of the level 0 that everyone knows. It's actually different, and it feels more mundane because there's no texture or whatever. It's just a bunch of plaster, really, which is good, because that's what I was going for. And I was going for the original vibe of the Backrooms, the thing that's supposed to be the 4chan post, that one. I'm not going to show it because the 4chan post is kind of obvious by now. If you're watching this, you probably know what the Backrooms is. So yeah, also, it is what it is. There are a few issues, but those those are very minor and will be fixed out soon. Why is your keyboard so loud? What the fuck?
Hold up, let me turn my mic. I didn't realize it was that loud.
It is. There we go.
Oh, I have input. We got that again.
Either way, make Skibidi Toilet Entity. I will not. There's already technically one in the place, so I'm not doing it again. But either way, if you want to see how this actually plays, the framework is slightly out of date and isn't as up to date as I'd wished it would be. But it is enough to show you how it actually is going to look like, so it should be good. Hopefully. Also, ignore some of the errors that show up in console from time to time. Those are going to be fixed right after the stream, so it should be fine. But yeah, this is level 0. Look at it. It's peak. You can tell it's slightly out of date because the pre-release version isn't bold or italic like the original. It's just light. But yeah, it works. And I may change this in the future to probably to popular request, but you can't actually sprint in this level at the moment. There's not really much reason to at the moment, as the character literally says. Although I'll make that more clear that you can't say that. I'll make it more clear that the character says that themselves, because at the moment it just says that it just looks like the game is telling you this when it shouldn't. But yeah, is very cool. The footsteps are also louder than they should be, but whatever.
Room already? Oh.
That's for a different system. I'm gonna pick it up though. Here you go. I forgot I put this here. So I'm gonna clear out the console too, because it outputs something the minute I grab it. There you go. Yeah, now we have a rope. Let's go. We have a really weirdly made mesh of a rope. Sick. I should probably add in a bit of a UI on the bottom left to indicate that you actually have it, but whatever. Either way, When does it release? Sometime. I have no release dates at the moment. It'll release this year at like some point, probably in the middle of the year, or maybe even earlier in the year. I'm hoping for a Q1 release, but that may not happen. It may be Q2, but the early Q2. That's what I'm hoping for. But at the same time, that's still 3 months away at most. So yeah, the game takes a while to develop because of like how many factors there are to it, how many things there are to develop. Again, I said this earlier in the stream, and I'll say it again. The game has like 40 place files in it. Some of those being like 2 of those not really existing for the game, but the rest do exist for the game itself, including the starter place. So you will be able to hang yourself in TVRE. That is amazing. Either way. Yeah, what's up? I should probably increase my walk, so this looks realistic. Good job. I mean, it's mostly just PBR, but I do appreciate it, yeah. It did take a while to get this to look exactly how I hoped it would, because getting level 0 to look right is a bit of an annoyance, because it's like, yeah, you have to like, you have to essentially recreate what the original looked like and resemble it without losing too much of its original aspect, which is why I'm glad that it works the way it does. So, yeah, you can tell I put a lot of time into this, a bit too much, but, you know, it came out looking good, so I don't care. There's also this, like, funny little speaker over here that does this. Like, it plays a sound from time to time. Although if I stand here for too long, it probably wouldn't be worth sitting near waiting, so I was going to move on. But yeah, it does play a sound from time to time. It's just kind of rare. You kind of have to sit there for a while before it actually plays a sound. Yeah, I think it plays one between every 1 to 2 minutes. So that's why I can't be bothered sitting there waiting for the stream, because the stream, people want to see actual more interesting stuff. So yeah, but either way, what the fuck? All right, there's like a speaker over here somewhere. In the wall. I'm an idiot. It's right there. You just can't really see it that easily. I put camera light on just so you can see it. There it is. I forgot I even had that music. That music's supposed to be temporary, by the way. I just kind of found it on the toolbox. But I will actually put on like proper music for it. So don't worry about that. There are some areas in this level 0 that I have to improve, but for the most part I like it. I think over here is actually something interesting. I think this is the actual exit for the level, although it hasn't been finished. Yeah, wow! Originality! Yeah, but this you can actually interact with, so that's pretty cool. There we go, now we're here, in this room that you weren't able to access before. Sicko mode. Also, yeah, for context, for anybody asking in the future, there is a flashing lights like option you can disable, which does disable that. It just blacks it out, and then like you turn it, you come into here and all that. There is going to be a whole thing to do that. I think the pause menu does exist in this version too. It's just really basic. Yeah, there's nothing in there at the moment. It's not like the current framework where the pause menu is actually somewhat competently made. So. Also, it will be using your enter key by default on keyboard instead of P, because, you know, I kind of fumbled on that. But either way, yeah, there's an elevator you can call, but it doesn't really do much at the moment. It plays a sound, and I think it does open, but I think that's about it. No, it plays a sound, but it doesn't even open. Also, you can hear inside of it. Yeah, I still don't know where that song comes from, but I keep using it because it's so good. And by keep using it, I mean I've used it this like literal once, but either way. Yeah, so that's the elevator, which probably implies that the next level that we're going to look at means that we are transitioning through an elevator, and you'd be correct. I have to quickly like dissipate the stream window though again, because like I gotta like do it like 1 or 2 things in level 1, level 1, because yeah, it's a bit iffy right now. I need to like move a few objects aside so that you won't see them, because you know those are testing objects. But either way, most of it's complete. It's just the scripting needs to be done, but like the actual builds and stuff are pretty much complete. And you're gonna notice how similar it looks to level 0, and I apologize if that's a bit like bare bones to use, but you know, it should be fine. There is gonna be actually more previews of level 1 in the game previews at some point, because there is a pretty interesting mechanic that I want to showcase at some point. But for the time being, because I've already showed the builds of it, might as well show it again, but this time in actual level form. Boom, here it is, level 1. So, yeah. But for the most part, it's pretty normal. There isn't too much here. You guys have probably seen this before, but you haven't seen the intro bit. So let's go ahead and show that. Again, it's slightly out of date. It's not up to date again, because I've been working a lot on the framework, i.e. there's a lot of stuff that's a bit broken. But it does technically work. So, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god! It's level 1! Holy shit! Also the music stopped, like, isn't working properly, so let me increase that. That's the BGM? What the fuck? Oh, that... Okay, whatever, we're keeping this as the BGM then, apparently. Because for some reason this is the BGM rather than the ambience I thought it would be. But either way, yeah, here it is. And you can actually sprint in this one. Holy, and the sprint stamina actually works because it's the older framework that didn't break the stamina whilst I was trying to rewrite it. So that's sicko mode. Either way, I think this one also has the flashlight. Oh, it has like the whole lighter system that I removed. Yeah, because I was gonna have it at one point so you could only hold one light, but I removed that feature because it was kind of stupid. So yeah, this is out of date. You won't see this in game. However, you get some really cinematic shots like this. Also, I think yeah, if you run around enough, you'll notice like a few things that are a bit different, aside from the fact that level 1 inherently just looks a lot different with the lighting and such. I mean, same texture usage, different, like, there's actual, like, bottom bits now, trims, and the lights are completely different. But yeah, for the most part, looks very similar to level 0, but that's because it's supposed to be the transition between level 0 and 2, which 2 looks, obviously, the most different out of the 3, and, like, furthermore, all the other levels look completely different, so hopefully that makes a bit more sense. Anyway, if people are wondering, like, I know there's going to be somebody in chat soon that's like, why doesn't this look like level 1 parking lot? I'm triggered. I'm shitting in my pants. That's mainly because this level 1 is inspired off of, like, directly off of what's it called? Of Lurking Danger, which is why you can see at the top left the name is Lurking Danger, because it was the original level 1 before the newer level 1 car parking lot wiki was made. So, if you're wondering, that's what it is. So, yeah. I don't know what the hell you just said, but good job. Also, a bit of a discrepancy right here, I just realized. It does say pre-release v 2.0.0. That's not accurate. Originally, this update was called version 2 to emphasize the fact that the original version, aka the legacy content, was version 1. But this game is so different now that it's just become version 1, and that legacy content has been moved to legacy as opposed to being part of the genuine cycle of the game's updates. So, hope that provides a bit more clarity. Also, the bottom left, I'll explain what that is soon, because at the moment, it's still kind of a whip. It does work technically, but it doesn't do more than just stay at 60, so... Although it is pretty obvious what it is. If you think about it slightly more, you'll probably realise what it's supposed to be. Also, Cane Pickles shot. Oh my god, this wasn't intentionally supposed to be Cane Pickles. I'm just saying this because it looks like it. But, yeah. It's pretty cool. And it's beautiful. And there's the exit. The exit. Now, there is an entire subsection below this level, which I have shown in the previews on Discord. However, that bit isn't accessible right now because of reasons that I'll get into in a bit. But when entities are in this level, there is supposed to be a entity in this level, but again, the event for it hasn't been completed yet, so I can't show it yet. And coincidentally, the entity itself, like code, is still a whip. the modeling animation work and all that are pretty much done, minus a bit of animations that need to be done. But the modeling is complete, and so is the concept for the character, not character, entity. I keep getting that mixed up. However, the entity scripting is still wet because I've been pretty much the only one scripting for the project at the moment. The other programmers are still doing something. I don't know what they're doing. I've been trying to get them to do stuff, but as for right now, there's 2 programmers who are still new to the team that haven't been able to do much yet because I haven't given them much, but I will in a bit. And then there's 2 other programmers who have been on the team for a while who haven't done particularly a whole lot, and I've been trying to fix that, but it's kind of a discrepancy. So, bit of a problem. The programming is a little bit behind, but, you know, that will get back on track soon enough. Either way, yeah, there's just a funny dummy figure. I've been trying to avoid the dummies for a while, but there's 2 dummies, one from level 0 and one here. These are supposed to be just animation dummies that I'm using to make an animation for, which, me saying that alone probably gives away what's supposed to happen when you walk in this hallway, but obviously it doesn't work at the moment. I think it just prints dummy code. Oh no, it just doesn't. Yeah, it just says, you know, to open fire exit, but it's locked, and it just says the door's jammed. I need to find a way to break this door, but how? And then you see this funny goofy goober just staring at the door. But you know, it'll be done eventually. But you can sort of get the general idea of this level at least, so that's good. And I might be able to do this actually. I might be able to. Am I able to do this without causing any issues? That would be great. Yeah, I got a flashlight now. So, sick. I could have probably done it through scripting, but it's fine. How many levels are going to be in this update? A lot. For the main levels, I'm hoping that the full positive release, like the full positive like story, will be released. I use level 0 to potentially 8, but I might do 10. I don't know how many there is yet. I can look at the Miller note that the game has real quick. But as far as I know, yeah, there's up to 8 levels at the moment. Not like including level 0, even if it's not technically a positive level. It's sort of the middle ground between positive and negative, but that may change. Most likely will actually. But either way, currently 8 main levels aside from ignoring level 0, and then as for the rest of the game's content, there's a lot to it. To basically apologize for how long it's taken to develop this. There's a bunch of joke levels, a bunch of secret levels, but I'm not going to say what the name of them are, nor am I going to tell you how to get to those. So, greater than. Wait, what?
What?
You just said greater than. That's it.
Said the operator then.
I don't know what the operator den is, so I'm a bit clueless.
TTV.
Oh. What?
What, you don't remember those from...
No, I don't get what you're saying anymore.
Okay, it's those, like, you played the station, right?
I've played the what? You just cut out like a billion times.
Okay, not really. The update for it.
Is it just me? Is he cutting out a lot? Yeah, okay, he just went deafened. Alright. Well, I don't know what that was, but, you know. No, you don't. Either way. Now, this is level 1. You can tell the flashlight's a bit broken, because when I try to toggle it off, it does it twice again, and then it finally toggles off. That's sort of a reason why I got rid of the whole flashlight system, or not flashlight specifically, but the whole lighter system. It was really buggy. And also, because it genuinely just didn't work out, like, why can't the player hold 2 sources of light, not just one, sort of thing? So that's why I got rid of it. But for the most part, yeah, not much else to show on this level at the moment. There will be more to show later. Plus, I feel like showing the level itself is already enough. Also, there's a bit of a discrepancy. This isn't supposed to be shown up on the first floor, but whatever. Either way, there's not much else to say here, but I do very much like this level. It's probably one of my favorite ones at the moment, aside from like a few other ones that I've made. So that's pretty cool. But other than that, there isn't too much else to show here. because I've been hard at work trying to fix everything up, trying to make sure that everything works. This model needs to be replaced because it's not the same one from level 0. I keep getting that mixed up. Isn't too much else to say here. That's pretty cool. That's about it. So I'm going to drop the stream's window capture just for a moment again, whilst I look at something else I could potentially show. This will probably be the last thing I'll show too before the stream ends, because the streams are going on for 2 hours, and I kind of want to develop the game outside of the stream, obviously. I would develop the game in-stream, but the problem the problem that lies there, is that a lot of the stuff that I want to keep secretive gets spoiled, which is a bit unfortunate. It's like devil's advocate. Yeah, you guys get to see it now, and I'm no longer just like hiding it behind a wall for like 2 years, or like a year and a half. But at the same time, yeah, it's a bit of an oopsie poopsie, I guess. It's like, it's hard to really explain, hard to really elaborate. But besides that, there maybe is a thing I could show. Hold on. What could I potentially show? I'm thinking really hard. I may be able to show the positive introduction level, but the problem is that level is like pretty buggy and may not work as intended. But I'm going to try anyway, because it's a pretty good level to showcase. It's not even a proper level, it's just an introduction to the game's positive story, I guess. Why is the stream black? You joined a bit later, I'm pretty sure. That's because, again, I'm switching place files, and I don't want people to see the source files, because I don't want people to see the names of them and go, holy shit, leak! Ah! So, yeah, I came back just now. Yeah, that makes sense. Either way. These are a lot more redder than I thought they'd be, but the textures haven't loaded in yet, so that's probably why. YMCA. Wait, so making an entity that mimics what people say in the chat, and it only happens when the player gets close to the entity. I mean, that's, yeah, I mean, I could do that. No, I saw your request on Discord. It's fine. You don't have to copy paste it. But yeah, okay. I would have shown this level off, but I'm gonna be honest. The scripting is like really buggy. I just tried it, and like, yeah, it's not ready to be shown yet. It's still a bit of a in an iffy state. So I'm not gonna show that yet. However, just randomly, I'm gonna show a still from another level that we've been working on. This has been for the beta testing update, so beta testers get excited. You're about to see something that you probably wouldn't have seen outside of this. But this level probably will end up in the actual game at some point because of how high quality it is, even if it was supposed to be a beta testing specific thing. But here we go. I may do this like a few frames to be like a sort of a funny for those who are actually watching and stuff like that. Ah! I wonder if that even went through the stream. I don't think it did. It'd be pretty funny if it did, though. Oh, it did. It absolutely did. Okay. Well, yeah, there's also this little still that I can do. But either way, there isn't too much else to show besides that. So, yeah. Again, a lot of the stuff is temperamental. Can't really show it at the moment without spoiling a lot of the game's game's core and like, you know, purpose and all that sort of stuff. And it's also very temperamental. I go into it, it could break pretty much on an instant because I'm still patching things up and so on and so forth. There's a lot to do, so there's not a whole lot to show as a result. And the secret levels, I'm not going to show yet because, I mean, sure, granted, I've shown a few of them off in the Discord servers, game previews, but again, most of them aren't ready to be shown in full yet, even though they're all built-wise and all that. Yeah, I know it's a bit unfortunate. Kind of hard, though, because it's like, again, only scripter sort of situation, because any scripter that I invite on does one thing, then does absolutely nothing, sort of thing. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. But either way, are we getting level Fumo in the game? Or the level that I just worked on, the community stuff? Yeah, that's part of the extras. So that's going to be a thing in the future. So you expect to see that on the release. Because the other extra is somewhere around here. I think I can actually show a bit of that because it's a really basic design at the moment. So I can do that. there's actually a thing that I teased a little bit ago, called the gallery, which is basically a level that's made specifically to show off the game's art and music. So, you know, you can listen to the game's music and all that. You can look at the artwork that's like been done for the game, and so on and so forth. Basically, it's a pretty nice place to just sit there and look at all the stuff that you can see that was composed for the game and all that. Giving proper credit to those who don't usually get credit, sort of thing. And also, while I'm at it, how do I say this? I could show a still from it, but you could tell it's obviously a work in progress. Like, I could show this. You see a bit here. You can see that there's going to be a map here, but I haven't like modeled it out yet, so I can't. You obviously won't be able to see that yet. But for the most part, there's not too much to this level yet. There is like outsides here. There's obviously interiors here, but I don't want to spoil the modeling done for those, and all the art and music that's in there. So that's why I'm not showing the insides of them. But that's besides the point. So yeah, blacked out the stream. There we go, perfect. And that's about it, actually. I know it's a bit disappointing, but there isn't too much to show to begin with, and the whole point of the stream was to do community level stuff. So yeah, also dummy. But yeah, there isn't too much else. I would like to announce though that the
Cheeseburger.
that's not what I was going to announce, stupid. Anyway, what I was gonna say is that the game's backlight framework that I'm currently working on, that will get an update very shortly, probably in like about 2 weeks or so. The reason why is because all the framework that I've been working on, as you've been seeing throughout the video, or the live stream, the what's it? The W. Yeah, what's it? The framework itself is like nearly done, so that will become public very soon. So I'll probably put like an announcement on YouTube and like a few other places of the, especially just the Discord, obviously, of the framework being up to date and people being able to use it, etc., etc. As per usual, the framework will be open source for people to use. And I apologize if there's any awful programming in it. That's probably just me being lazy, either that or there's a few issues with it that need to be fixed. This is why we do public releases, see if any of these broken, and then I can pull out a push update, stuff like that, and then eventually everything will be fixed again. That sort of thing. And I do want to keep in a discrepancy too. Audio and animations will be a bit of a problem when it comes to the framework, because Roblox's audio and animation sharing is absolutely abhorrent. So yeah, you try to play like an animation someone else made and it just completely breaks. That's not my fault. That's just Roblox being Roblox. And if you try to play animations during studio playback, you're obviously not going to see them unless you've published those animations. So yeah, I apologize for that greatly, and I'm sorry that that's a thing. Either way, the stream has pretty much come to an end. There's not too much else to do. It's kind of a bummer that we didn't get as many people as I thought we would, but you know, it's not terrible. But you know, regardless, it could have been a lot worse, granted. And at least we got a funny, tiny little level out of it that doesn't really mean much, but you know, it's all good, I guess. But besides that, thank you all for coming. I will publish more game previews as they come out shortly, like most likely within the next week or so. And that's about it. So I'm just going to invite random people onto the stage and then they can have their say. There you go.
I'd like to say that very cool
Yes.
thing. I haven't been here for the entirety of the, I don't know how to call it.
The stream.
Screen,
The event.
Yeah, the
Whatever you want to call it.
because I was going to my father.
Well, rested pepperonis, I guess. But either way, what did I get? Now live on your channel, yeah. Wow, YouTube is giving me a notification that I'm live on the channel 2 hours after after I did that. Nice.
Absolutely amazing.
That's clearly
Wait,
amazing.
you're live?
What? Anyway,
Korea,
you what?
hop on Among Us.
No.
I
Among Us.
was kidding.
Anyway, I'm just gonna stream Discord so you can have you can at least see something, and it's not just black like constantly, and you know that's not a fault of the fact that I was too busy not watching anything. It was just the fact that like there wasn't much to show, so you can look at the Discord instead. Either way, you can see all the awful stuff that gets posted there, because like we're so good at this, aren't we? What are you streaming?
Yes.
That
New update. I'm gonna see how bad it is.
Okay.
Is that enter the backroom? Wait a minute. No, escape the backrooms.
They all have really similar names.
All right, you want to play with me? Maybe. Okay.
Well, if you want to play and stuff, I'd suggest moving to general VC because like stream's about to end. So I'm just gonna.
The stream's ending.
Yeah, no way. It's not like it's been going on for 2 hours and there's not much else to show.
I thought you were going to play for the entire night.
No, I mean entire night. It's 11. It's 11 a.m. for me. See if I see.
It's 21.
My PC imploded for streaming. Never again. Well, I mean to be fair, the dog's probably not going to hear this, but like, he was trying to stream at 1440p at like 60 frames per second on a PC that's known to be not that fast. So, not sure what he expected, but either way.
I didn't even know that there was a place.
Well, what's it? Then again, I didn't really make it all too clear, so I guess it makes sense. And he's back. I think. Back again, back again. Either way, I've got nothing else to say. I don't think anyone else has anything else to say, so I'm gonna say my goodbyes this
I
time.
have something to say.
Yeah.
When are you adding level 69 in the game?
Plot twist of the century. Never.
Aww.
And the dog has died. Yep. I think he went to general. Actually, I'm not too sure. No, he's just dead. Okay. But either way, nothing else to say. Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. Anywho, I'm a go. So, adios amigos. Bye bye. See you stream.